I got some more work done on the Vespa. Today I got another 90 minutes while my daughter was napping, and I came down and did the third coat of paint on the bike. I didn't show this explicitly last time, but this is the stuff I'm using. It's very, very basic. It's just Dupli-Color color match. I'm using the matte black. I love the color that it makes, and I'm really, the quality of finish is fantastic. One of the things I talked about in the last video was when I brought the can too close to some of the bodywork, I was getting some of these scorch marks on it. So the point of doing the third coat is just to finally get rid of all of those. I've done a little bit of sanding on those in the meantime, but they're in good shape. And ideally, I would get the first coat of glass done on the bike and all those components as well. So I'm supposed to wait 30 minutes in between spraying, but I really want to get the glass done, so let's see if time permits. It's absolutely lashing rain outside, so I'm gonna go open up all the doors. Let's see how it goes. So I'm sure people are much better at doing this and that there's better ways of doing it, but considering I'm just using rattle cans in a garage on a rainy day, the sun's just come out now, I'm really happy with the quality I'm getting. Look at that finish, and it is sprinkling slightly still, so I'm going to go back inside, but really happy with the quality of that spray. I am nervous about that when I put the glass on that I'm going to lose that matte finish. If it is a little bit more glassy, that's okay, but I just love that matte black. It just looks so cool. So this is a new part. Ordered this from Scooter West. The link's probably at the bottom of the video. Reasonably priced. I think it's like 20-25 bucks, something like that, to get one of the side fairings that was pretty badly scratched and damaged. So it's going to look like new. What I've got is I've got this thing called Spray Max 2K Clear Glamour. There's a red cap that comes with it. You push that into the bottom of the can when you're ready to start, and then it mixes all the magic in the can, and you've got 24 hours to use it. So only use this when you're really ready to go. I'm nervous about the word glamour. Maybe it's going to be shinier than I want it to be, but let's give it a try and see how it goes. So to start off, I'm going to do it with the footboard, which is something that's in pretty bad shape anyway. So if this glamour stuff isn't really nice, I'll be able to see it on this part, and if I have to replace this part, I will. Or if I have to respray it, I will. Well, you can see how patient I am. I've sprayed the very first one. It looked fine. So instead of doing the thing of just spraying it and waiting and see that I like it, I immediately went on, pulled the bike out, sprayed the entire scooter, sprayed all the side fairings and everything along with it. It is still matte. It's definitely not a glass, but you can see there's definitely a shine off this part that there didn't used to be. So what's left to do? I've ordered another glass to arrive. Once I've got that last coat of glass on, I've got to figure out, do I want to 1500 grit sandpaper these things down, or do I want to just put it all back on and see what it looks like as is? And if it looks good enough, it doesn't have to be perfect, I'm just going to put it all back together. I really appreciate you watching this and the time that you put into it. I've really enjoyed making these videos. Stay tuned and come back for more if you're interested. Cheers, bye.